The Google Pixel 10a has entered the mid-range smartphone market with a price of $499, and it brings an interesting conversation with it. This phone is not about big changes or bold new ideas. Instead, it focuses on small refinements and familiar features. That makes many people ask an important question: what does new really mean when it comes to the Pixel 10? At first glance, the Pixel 10a looks clean and modern. Google has kept its minimalist design style but added some polish. The bezels around the screen are thinner, which gives the phone a slightly more updated look compared to the Pixel 9a. It feels refined, but not dramatically different. If you place the two phones side by side, you would notice the changes, but they are subtle rather than exciting. The display is another area where Google chose improvement over innovation. The Pixel 10's screen is brighter than before, reaching up to 2000 nits in high brightness mode and peaking at 3000 nits when needed. This makes outdoor use much easier, especially under direct sunlight. The phone also supports both 60 Hz and 120 Hz refresh rates, which helps balance smooth scrolling and battery life. However, it still lacks LTPO technology, which means the refresh rate does not adjust dynamically as smoothly as it could. Many higher-end phones already offer this feature, so its absence makes the display feel a bit behind the times. When it comes to cameras, Google is sticking to what it knows best. The Pixel 10a uses the same camera hardware as the Pixel 9a. You get a 48-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 13-megapixel front camera. On paper, nothing has changed. The real magic still comes from Google's software. Features like night sight and super res zoom continue to deliver strong results. Photos look sharp, balanced, and reliable, especially in challenging lighting. Still, for users who already own a Pixel 9a, the camera experience will feel almost exactly the same. Performance is another familiar story. The Pixel 10a is powered by the Tensor G4 chipset, the same processor found in the Pixel 9. Google has made small software tweaks to improve efficiency, but this is not a big leap forward. Many people expected Google to move to the newer Tensor G5, which could have brought better battery efficiency and stronger AI performance. The Tensor G4 handles daily tasks well, including multitasking and AI features, but it does not stand out in a market where competitors are pushing faster and more efficient chips. Battery life on the Pixel 10a remains solid. It easily lasts a full day with normal use, which is something most users care about. However, charging speeds have not improved. They are the same as last year, which feels disappointing when many mid-range phones are starting to offer faster charging. While the battery itself is dependable, the lack of progress here makes the phone feel a bit stuck in place. Pricing is where things get tricky. The Pixel 10a costs $499, the same launch price as the Pixel 9. The problem is that the Pixel 9a is now available at lower prices. Since the upgrades in the Pixel 10a are small, the value difference becomes hard to justify. For someone buying their first Pixel or upgrading from a much older phone, the Pixel 10a still makes sense. But for Pixel 9 users, the reasons to upgrade are limited. This approach reflects a bigger trend in the smartphone industry. Many mid-range phones today reuse older hardware and focus on software improvements to keep prices down. While this helps affordability, it also means fewer exciting upgrades. As a buyer, it becomes more important to look closely at what you actually need rather than assuming newer is always better. In the end, the Google Pixel 10a is a good phone, but it is not a bold one. It improves brightness, refines the design, and maintains strong software support. At the same time, it relies heavily on familiar hardware and ideas. For new users, it offers a reliable and polished experience. For others, it shows that sometimes new simply means slightly refined, not truly different.